If you're looking to create an online course, you might be asking yourself, who am I to teach? And most importantly, charge money for my online course. Look, you're not alone. A lot of our clients, and actually clients who are very successful, they have imposter syndrome. Who am I to teach? Am I good enough? The answer is yes, you're good enough. But listen to this video that I am giving you completely free of charge. It's extracted from my Course Creation Mastery course, so I hope you enjoyed. If you want to get the entire course, there's a link below in the description, and also you can book a call with our team where we can help you A to Z to create and launch an online course. So enough of me talking, enjoy this lesson. Who am I to teach? And this lesson is not really about course creation. It's more about tackling one of the biggest objections or concerns people have when they are about to create a course. And that is, but who am I to teach? This is this imposter syndrome that people they're like, I'm not quite ready. I don't have as much experience. I don't have as many results. And people doubt themselves so much. And the simple answer to this is as follows. You don't have to be the best in the world in your chosen field or the topic that you're about to teach in your online course. You just need to be a few steps further than your student. Sometimes if I, for example, want to learn, let's say finances, if Warren Buffett taught me all about how to invest, all that, it probably would go over my head because he's a billionaire. He's so advanced, and often I would not connect with him. But if someone who is maybe just a little bit further than me, they saved, let's say, $100,000 they saved in 2 years with a regular job, and they're gonna teach me how to do that, I would probably listen to that person because I connect, okay? They had a regular job just like me. I can understand what they're gonna teach me. So it's very, very important to realize that you don't have to be the best in the world, it doesn't hurt if you are, but you just need to be a few steps ahead. There are 3 kinds of teachers, and you will fit in one of them. I just want to explain this to you so you understand and know where you fit. Number 1, this is the ultimate. Number 1 is you've gotten results for yourself and you've gotten results for your clients. So I'm very fortunate and grateful to be in that position. So I created courses for myself, and I have created many courses with my business for many of our clients. So I created success for myself first, and then we actually created a company called Thrive Courses Studio, and now thrivecourses.com, because I learned what to do, doing for myself, and then I generate success for my clients. So that's the first one. You might have gotten results for, let's say you are a bookkeeper maybe, or CPA, let's say, and you saved a lot of money for your clients. But now you're gonna teach people how to save money on their own, if they file taxes on their own, right? Or maybe you're gonna teach other CPAs how they can get the same results for their clients, so you get the idea. Number 2 is where you've gotten results just for yourself, right? You've gotten results for yourself, you discovered this proven way how to do certain things. Again, let's say maybe you are a CPA and you've gotten those results for yourself, and now you're ready to teach others, maybe other CPAs again, or just the regular people. So that's number 2. So first one, results for yourself and others. Number 2, you've gotten results just for yourself. And the third one is you haven't gotten really results for yourself. You haven't gotten results for others, but you are excellent at doing research. You are a researcher. So if somebody can go out and research, let's say, how to buy your first home. They don't even own a home, right? You might say, what? Why would they teach a course on how to buy a home if they haven't bought a home? But listen and pay attention. This is very important. If they go out and do all the research, they read the books, they talk to realtors, they do everything they need to do in order for you to learn how to buy your first home and avoid every single mistake out there. Would you pay money to that person? Absolutely. They don't even have to say that they haven't bought a home. What they need to just focus on, what is that they can do for you. I know a lot of people, for example, in cryptocurrency. Right now, cryptocurrency is very, very high. There are people who, they haven't invested millions of dollars in cryptocurrency. Maybe they invest a couple $1,000s and they've gotten some results, but they understand cryptocurrency better than anyone. And I'm saying that because I'm actually consuming content from people on cryptocurrency right now myself. And they are experts in my eyes because they are much better than I am. So if you are doubting yourself, if you finding yourself kind of like, yeah, this is great, I would love to teach, but who am I to teach? Ask yourself, number 1,
Can you do research and figure things out for other people to simplify things? Number two, have you gotten results for yourself in some area of your life or your business? And number three, ultimate, have you gotten results for yourself? Have you helped others get results in this topic? And if you fit in one of them, stop doubting yourself. You're ready to teach. And the truth is, as you start teaching, like as I'm owning my topics like course creation on entrepreneurship, as I put more YouTube videos out there, as I create more courses, guess what happens with me? I become more confident, more knowledgeable, and more people gonna look up to me and look for guidance. It didn't happen overnight, but you have to start somewhere. I would wanna wrap up this lesson with a quote. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. And that's a quote by Zig Ziglar. And you're not gonna be the best in the world. You don't have to be. You just have to get started. Be willing to do the research. You have to be willing to create results for yourself. You have to be willing to create results for others. And if you fit in one of those buckets, I don't know what else to say. You have all the qualifications you need. Just get to work. Stop doubting yourself. Stop procrastinating. And let's keep going with the next lesson. And I'll see you there.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my course creation and launch mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence that you have knowledge to share and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my course creation mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you'd like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.